Hi, my name's Tom Willoughby and I've been farming all my life.
Hi, I'm Debra Willoughby and I'm a dairy farmer here at Grange Farm.
We have just under 400 acres.
We generally have around 100 cows. We'd like to stay at that kind of number. It's much smaller than the average, but it gives us a chance to get to know all the cows.
We've made a conscious decision to farm like this, and our aim is to be totally self-sufficient.
We'd rather have fewer cows so that we know them all, and have lower yields from the cows so that they live longer. We like our cows to stay with us for a long, long time. Getting the robot in made a difference. It's very reliable. The cows seem to be much happier milking in a robot. The robot system will detect changes within the udder much earlier than somebody milking a cow by hand. It's very consistent in how it milks them, and they get to choose when they're going to get milk. Our milk has the least amount of processing possible. We pasteurise the milk, which means heating it up to over 72 degrees for 15 seconds and then cooling it very quickly afterwards. But that is the only process that it goes through. On milk delivery days, I start filling the churns with the milk. Our milk is the most natural, least processed milk that can be bought through a shop.
Our aim is to have a machine local to you.
Our milk is currently available at Manor Farm at Long Whatton, at Oakley Grange at Hathern, and we have a milk shed at the side of Oaklands Butchers in Kegworth. Our milk can be ready for sale from the self-serve vending machine within 30 minutes of leaving the farm. When we deliver at each outlet, the machines are cleaned and washed down. Any milk that doesn't get sold in the vending machine comes back to the farm and we use it to feed calves. Keep your eye on social media for new self-serve machines.
I think the environmental issues that are with us are not going to go away. That is our big driver.
We would hope that customers are buying our organic milk because we are looking after their environment. Our farm is where our customers live. We don't really want to get any bigger. We want to stay a little farm, and we would just like to sell it as close to the farm as possible.